In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then click on Accessibility and Convenience. Select one-handed mode here and use gray switcher to activate it. If the switcher is blue, that means that one-handed mode is on. To use it, follow those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. If you want to go back, you can either swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!